Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be organizing my bathroom sink area. It is just completely overcluttered. I have not really cleaned this out in a while, ever since I had Gianna, so it's just a mixture of her stuff and our stuff. I had a few subscription boxes, so as you can see I have a ton of samples, and I'm also going to be tackling my medicine cabinet. So if you'd like to see me reorganize all of this area, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out of the bottom drawer. That's where I hold a lot of our extras as far as like bathing and shampoo, conditioner, soap for both me and Jean, as well as Gianna's stuff. So after I've cleared out the drawer, I'm just going to wipe everything down with a Clorox wipe. And next I'm going to do the same thing for under the sink, the large cabinet. Empty everything out and then wipe that area down with a Clorox wipe as well. And as you can see, I just pulled out this huge like hammer thing that I never even knew was under there. So now I'm just unpacking some of the things I had picked up from Dollar Tree to help me organize, and I'm just gonna be seeing what looks best and what fits best. So I'm trying to put all of Gianna's bath things into one bucket, then all of Jean and I soap in another. So you'll see a lot of me taking things out, putting them back in.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And now I'm just trying to strategize how I'm going to fit all of these buckets back into this bottom drawer. So again, it's a ton of reorganizing, but eventually I get it to work.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Now I'm working on these tiered baskets that a friend of mine had given me when Jean and I got our first apartment. So I'm just putting like feminine products and things like that that were in my bathroom closet. I'm now moving them to under the sink.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And then I'm moving on to the drawers. And this drawer is actually Jean's, so I'm not really going to get rid of anything. I am just going to reorganize and wipe out his drawer.
Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
And now we are moving on to my drawer, and it is just completely stuffed with samples of like moisturizer, face masks, face wash. I had a few subscription boxes and it just really got out of hand. So I've recently canceled the subscription boxes and I really just want to work through what I have. So I picked up these 4 little dividers in my Dollar Tree haul, and I'm just organizing things. So I have one box that has cleansers, one for face masks, one for like blemish spots and different treatments, and then one for moisturizers.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
So now I'm moving on to my medicine cabinet, and I am first, just like everything else, clearing it all out and wiping it all down.
You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the fight?
First thing I'm doing is making like a little first aid bucket. I got this little white bin at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just filling it with all of my Band-Aids because I had a few boxes of Band-Aids.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always
And now we are moving on to the cleaning part. So I'm not doing a deep clean because I had recently done a deep clean that week. I'm just doing kind of like a speed clean because I have the time. So starting off with the toilet, just scrubbing that with one of these really easy disposable toilet wands.
Why, baby, why do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Then I am moving on to the shower tub situation, and I am trying to fill this little scrubby brush kind of thing I had picked up at the Dollar Tree that you can put like dish liquid in, and then when you press down it's supposed to dispense the dish liquid, except I'm using a Lysol cleaner. and onto the floors, and I'm literally just using Clorox wipes. Like I said, this is just a really quick cleanup, so I'm using Clorox wipes on my floor. And here's the finished result for my sink area and medicine cabinet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming this because it was really something that I wanted to do, and I'm so glad I got the time to do it this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to leave a comment with any video suggestions, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!